Welcome to mathematics class. Topic is squares and square roots part 2. Now what are square roots? The square root of a number is the product of the number which when multiplied by itself gives x as the product. We denote the square root of a number x by root x. This sign we called root sign. Suppose we want to find out square root of 4. 4 we can write down as 2 into 2. Now to remove this root sign, and here we can see that 2 are in pairs. So out of this pair 1, 2 we can take it out. So root 4 is 2. In the same way root 9 is 3. Square root of a perfect square by the prime factorization method. There are two methods are there to find out square root of a perfect square. One is prime factorization, second one is long division method. Now here we are finding out the square root of 1296. So for this, first we have to find out the prime factors of 1296. Then under root of 1296 we can write down like this in pairs. 2 pairs are there, and 3 again 2 pairs are there. In the same way, to remove the root sign, out of these pairs one number you take it out. Suppose here 2 pairs of are there of 2, so 1 we have taken out. Then here again out of this pair this 3 we have taken out. Then again out of this pair 1 3 we have taken out. Then 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 is 36. So under root of 1296 is 36. Or in other way we can say that 36 square is 1296. Both are vice versa. Here second number is 7056. Same way, first we will find out the prime factors of 7056. Write down the numbers in forms of pair. Out of each pair one number we will take it out. So here we are getting 84. So root 7056 is 84. Second method, square root of a perfect square number by long division method. In this method, suppose here 4 numbers are there. So make the pairs from the last. Suppose here 9025 is written. So first make a bar on 25 and second on 90. Then we will find out by which number we can solve this 90. Here we can see that 9 9s are 81. If we are multiplying 9 by 9, 9 9s are 81. If we are taking 8, 8 8s are 64. So 64 is much lesser than 90. So in this case we will solve by 9. 9 9s are 81. So here in answer we will write 9, and here we will add 9 plus 9 18. That 18 we will write at this place. Now after subtracting 81 from 90, we got here 9. Then bring this 2 5 together. Both the numbers we have to bring it down. Now our new number becomes 925. Again we will search for a number. With 18 we want one such number, so that if we are multiplying the same number, so we can get either 995 or 925 or less than 925. So if we multiply 185 by 5, we are getting 925. So our answer is 95. So under root of 9025 is 95. In this case we want to find out the square root of a 5-digit number. The process is same. Make the pairs from the last. 6 1 is in one pair, 4 1 is in one pair, and on 1 is alone. So first we will solve for this 1. So how we can solve this 1? 1 into 1, 1. So write down 1 over here. 1 1s are 1. And here we have to add this 2. 2 ones, 1 plus 1, 2. Now bring this two number together down. 41 comes down. Now with 2 we want one such a number so that if we are multiplying the by that number, so we can get either 41 or less than 41. So if we multiply by here 2, 22 into 2. So what we will get? We will get 44. 44 is greater than 41. So we will again choose 1. So 21 into 1, we will get 21. Here again we will write in answer 1. Then add that one, 21 plus 1, we got over here 22. Subtract it. After subtracting, we got 20. Then next 6 1, we will bring it down. Then with 22, we will find one more such a number so that either we can get 2061 or less than 2061. So if we multiply 229 by 9, what we are getting here? 2061. So in this case, remainder is 0. So square root of 14,161 is 119. Square root of fractions. So in square root of fraction, the method is same. For numerator and denominator, separately we will find out by prime factorization method. Then again take out one number from the root and multiply that. Like this we can get the answer. In the same way, here mixed fraction is given. In mixed fraction, first we will convert into improper fraction. 36 into 3 plus 13. We will get here 121 by 36. 121 we know that we can write as 11 into 11 and 36 as 6 into 6. So out of these pair, we take out from numerator 11 and from denominator 6. So in this video, we learned about square root of a perfect square by prime factorization method, square root of a perfect square by long division method, and square roots of fractions. Thank you.